New real estate agents don't have the budget to spend on paid advertising on Facebook ads and Google ads and hence struggle to generate leads for their real estate business. In this video, we'll be discussing about organic lead generation methods through Facebook Marketplace, which is absolutely free and does not cost you anything. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Nitin from Qualified Agent Leads, and we help real estate agents scale their business by 1 to 2 additional closed deal per month by providing them qualified leads, and we book qualified appointments directly into their calendar. So if you're interested to learn more, book a call with our team using the contact information in the description below. Today we'll be creating 2 free organic campaigns on Facebook Marketplace. The first campaign that we are going to be creating is the VIP homebuyers campaign, and the second campaign that we are going to be creating is the pre-construction campaign. So let's get started with the first campaign, which is our VIP homebuyers program campaign. So this is the Google document, though both the campaigns are listed over here. So what we're going to do is we'll start with the VIP homebuyers program campaign. So let's quickly go into the description of this campaign. In the past 6 months, we have helped X families get into the home of their dreams in X city using our VIP home buyers program. What you'll be receiving is the free home buyers guide, breakdown of additional cost when buying home, dedicated licensed realtor for personalized assistance, free mortgage pre-approval, $X cash back, which is optional in case you do provide cash back. If you're interested, please message me. So this is a pretty good offer, right? So you are already offering all these services to our clients, but now we are going to give this a fancy name of VIP home buyers program, and we are going to replicate this campaign in various cities. For example, if you live in Hamilton, so we're going to write Hamilton VIP home buyers program and plug in the city name Hamilton. Then we can also run in various other cities, like we can run this campaign in Mississauga, Brampton, Oakville, Burlington and whatnot, right? So let's head to the Facebook Marketplace and start creating our first campaign. Okay, so now we are into Facebook Marketplace. So the first step that we need to do is click on create new listing. Okay. And after that, you'll see 3 options: item for sale, vehicle for sale, home for sale, or rent. Now, the biggest mistake which real estate agents are doing is they are clicking on this option, home for sale or rent. Don't do that. Click on this option, item for sale. Okay. Now we are going to be plugging in the pictures. Let me put in some very nice pictures of the homes. Okay. These pictures looks really nice. Now I'll start copying the title from my Google Doc. Instead of city, we'll plug in Hamilton VIP home buyers program. Price, we are going to be putting in $0. Category, we're going to be putting as miscellaneous. Condition, we'll be putting it as new, and I'll be copying the description from my Google Sheet. Then here we'll be updating few X's and cities. So if case, let's say in the past 6 months you've helped X families, instead of X, let's say you have helped 5 families in the last 6 months, you can just plug in the number 5 families. And since we are running this campaign in Hamilton, so you can just mention Hamilton. Okay, and let's say you provide $2,000 cash back, so you can just mention $2,000, and you can plug in your name, email and phone number here, and then we'll just plug in the city, Hamilton. Click on next. Now make sure you are added in various buy sell real estate groups for the city that you are running this campaign, because it's really important. Otherwise your ad will not get the visibility that it deserves. So let's say you are already added yourself in various buy sell groups. Make sure you have at least 20 groups to share your ad. Then once it gets listed over here, you can just simply select the group and click on publish. Now Facebook will also be going to suggest few groups to you based on your ad if you are not part of that group. So make sure you join these groups before you publish your ad. Now the beauty is, once your ad gets published to various groups, it gets the more visibility. Now if you would have just published your ad on the Facebook marketplace, it's just one ad, right? Now if you're publishing it to 20 groups, you are multiplying your ad's visibility 20 times. Now let's say you push this ad to other cities. Let's say you push this ad instead of just only Hamilton, right? Now you push it to Burlington or Oakville, and let's say 10 additional cities, and you also post in various Facebook buy sell groups, 20 Facebook buy sell groups per city. So total 10 cities multiplied by 20 Facebook groups for that city, it's like 200 ads. So that's crazy number. So your ad will get the visibility it deserves. So make sure to add yourself in various buy sell groups. Okay. Now the second campaign that we are going to be creating is going to be the pre-construction campaign. Now this is the brand new construction homes available in GTA with discounted mortgage rates. Now instead of GTA, you can also do Kitchener-Waterloo, Niagara, or if you want to do any target any specific region, you can do that. Then we're going to be providing this description, like we are providing them reputable builders with proven track record, longer closing available, extended deposit structure, rental income guarantee, mortgage top up. So obviously you can tweak some of these things based on if you have more understanding from what the builders are offering as an incentives. And if you're interested, please message me your email, name and phone number. So it's like a very simple campaign. So what we are going to do is, again, we'll be clicking on the item for sale, plugging in pictures. So I'm going to select the pre-construction GTA campaign. It says brand new construction properties in GTA with discounted mortgage rate. Now I'm going to be copying the title from my Google Sheet. Price put it as $0. Category again put miscellaneous. Condition new. Copy the description from my Google Sheet. And here you can push this campaign to various places, because this is a GTA campaign. So you can run this campaign in Niagara Falls, Hamilton, Brampton, Mississauga, wherever you want. So that's the beauty. Right now you are creating just one single ad and replicating in various multiple cities, and then you're going to be again sharing this ad in various Facebook groups. So you can imagine the visibility it will get you, and it's all completely free of cost, right? Now if you go to Facebook ads or Google ads, it's gonna cost you money. It's gonna give you more visibility to your ads as well, right? The scale is a lot bigger, but since if you are especially starting out and you are a new realtor, you don't have money to spend, this is a very good method to start generating free leads. Okay, now the process is very similar. You click on next, you get yourself added into the various buy sell groups, post your ad in all these groups and hit publish. If you are interested in getting this free organic leads Google Sheet document, just simply comment below with your email and our team will send it over to you. Now, once you have closed 1-2 deals with this approach and want to scale your business at a faster pace, that's where we come in and can help you close 1-2 additional deals per month using our direct response marketing techniques. Now you can visit our website qualifiedagentleads.com to see for yourself the case studies of the agents who have benefited from this 10-day free trial along with the testimonials. You can see there are a lot of case studies and testimonials. The point which I'm trying to make here is that this program was able to help them scale their real estate business, and so it can deliver the same results for you as well. So what you are waiting for? Go to our website qualifiedagentleads.com and book your free trial today by clicking on this button.